Isa ka ba sa mga naguguluhan kung anong program ang ititake mo sa college? Baka makatulong sa'yo tong suggestion ko. Bago ang lahat, my name is Mars Trinidad. Tara, aral tayo! Kung naguguluhan ka kung anong program yung gusto mong itake sa college, nako, medyo malaking problema yan. Kasi kung incoming first year student ka, dapat meron ka ng program na nasa isip na kukunin sa college. Pero kung wala naman, may suggestion ako sa'yo. Since BSBA graduate ako, so sinasuggest ko rin na why not take BSBA? Ang BSBA ay Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Ang Bachelor of Science in Business Administration is a 4-year program sa college. And it gives you business and management education. Ang BSBA ay para sa mga estudyante na gusto maging entrepreneur o kaya naman doon sa mga estudyante na gustong mag-pursue ng kanilang career sa business. Ito yung tamang course for you kung gusto mong mag-pursue ng career sa any field ng business like in economics, finance, marketing, and human resource. Kapag nag-take ka ng BSBA, pwede kang mamili ng magiging major mo. Pwedeng major in economics, major in marketing management, major in financial management, and major in human resource management. Kung major in economics ang pipiliin mo, nakafocus yan sa mga economic issues and problems that are related to organization, management, and of course, strategy. Kung financial management naman ang pipiliin mo, nakafocus yan on how to assess and utilize organizational resources to maximize profit. Pag human resource management naman, nakafocus yan in managing the all aspects of human resource. From hiring, development, training, and yung compensation and benefits. Yung panghuli, marketing management. Ito naman yung major. Nakafocus naman yung marketing management in making, planning, and implementing strategies that will help the organization to achieve its business goals. Yung mga goals like expanding the market, gaining new customers, and of course, customer satisfaction. At eto, paniguradong matutuwa ka dahil ang BSBA ay walang board exam. I hope nakatulong tong video ko sa'yo. If you like this video, paki-heart naman and paki-share naman. And paki-follow na rin ako dito sa TikTok. At kung meron kang questions, i-comment mo lang at I will answer it on my next video. Thank you!